Oh my goodness, I couldn't even count them. It's way too many to count. I think the major mother of all hurricanes has been Katrina, of course. And we've had George, which was a very wet event. Katrina was not that wet, so that helped. My daughter is in Florida, so she went through Michael. We have had probably in the last 32 years, because I worked for the county before I ran, 32 years of my service to the county, we've probably had 12 to 14 hurricanes. And then we have a flooding event every time there is a significant rainfall event. So every time there's something flooding in Harrison County somewhere.